Tunapeleka Somalia. Labda tulete samaki tulete hapo.
Ndio.
Weka signature leo. Tulete samaki hapo.
Nyinyi mlete samaki?
Ndio.
Na nyinyi mchukue miraa.
Absolutely. Okay. Wait.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
for showing.
God bless
Really
you.
promoting the trade exchange of the fish.
Yes.
There's no reason why we bring fish from China when we can do it close by.
When we can do ourselves.
Yes.
We must cooperate.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
As soon as possible.
Ensure the maximum possible to protect both security and also food security.
Right.
Here, man. Security.
Right.
We're very grateful to Kenya with the KDF forces taking part of the AMISOM. We would very much like to exchange the trade in a safe way. We will ensure.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank
That
you.
is what a brother says.
Yes.
Count on us.
Thank you.
Tulete hapo sio?
Hii mniletee hiyo.